Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be making a mid fade. Now this is me asking my client what he wants. After we identify what he truly wants, then we go ahead and using our trimmer and making our first guideline towards the mid fade cut. After making sure that our place, we're using our trimmer to remove hair, then we'll move to the other side also in this video, making the same thing I made towards the other side. After that, I use my clipper open level to create our first guideline towards the fading part. As you can see, we take it gently on the skin and we don't press the skin. I move over to the other side, the same process, open level. I make it towards the back of the hair. Then you can see that line below it. That is what we're going to be removing right now. So we're going to make it a half level. Now we take out the line gently. As you can see, we go it part by part. That line, you see, is what you are removing before you can go upper to fade with our steps. Now I comb the hair because you make sure to comb the hair before you fade your hair so that you can understand the texture of your client's hair. Now we take our step 2 open level. As you can see, you can choose to go left, you can choose to go right, you can choose to go downward, but basically this angle, that is how I like to hold my clipper to go before I use the lower step. Now as you can see, that low line left to us below, that is what we're going to use. Now we're going to be using our guard 1 to remove it. After that, you can see as the hair is aligning, this is a cut, a very simple cut. You can learn from my page. I show you everything. We don't hide secrets in this page. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and wait for more content like this. Now as you can see, the fade is, and don't forget to use your brush while fading the hair. As you can see, we are removing small details. We are going across it, combing the hair. After that, if your client don't want to reduce the hair, you can just use the trimmer to trim the side edges to make it align. As you can see, now we're just trying to trim the edges. As you can see, after we are done, we head over to the other side. The same process, the same technique. We don't do different things here. After removing that line, you can see how I'm holding the clipper. I'm not moving it towards the upside. Then our regular step 2. You know, I only use 2 steps in my every video. Step 2 and step 1. You go all over again. Step 2 and step 1 forever. Then as you can see, like I said, you can choose to go upward, you can choose to go at the left side, and you can choose to go downward by using these 2 guards. But you can see, then that line is the next thing we're going to remove with our step 1. Now we are removing it, as you can see, and you can see how the hair is aligning. Then after that, probably when you are done with the step 1, you can remove the step 1 to make sure that to brush it a little bit and make sure that your fading is cool. And again, please don't forget, when you are fading the hair, please you need to have a brush so that you can know where you fade and where you have not fade perfectly. It is so important for beginner barbers tutorials. This helps a lot. You can get a good brush from anywhere at the beauty store. Now you see, for me, I'm done. I like to fade, then I later brush to know, because a professional already know what he's doing. Now I move over to the back. The same attitude, the same process, but this is at the back, so we're going to be using a different style. Then you are seeing we're removing the line. We're not going towards it upside. We just lower our level. Then I use our comb it out step 2 as usual. I can say you can go upward, sideways or downward with the step 2. Then after that, step 1, you see, that is what you're going to remove right now, gently. In this part, you can go downwards because this is step 1 and any mistake can ruin the hair. After the step 1, you need a 0.5 guard. So this is we call it the guard and I call it step 1 and we call it guard 1. Then as you can see, we go upper because this is the back and the way we fade here is totally different. Then after this, my client required me to trim his hair and not bring his hair down. So after this, going through the fading process, we're going to be trimming his hair downward and you can see it in the video. And now you can see the fading is going perfectly as the way we want it and as the way we align. Now I am trimming the back. I don't need to put step further the back because my client does not want to reduce his hair. As you can see in this level, I use my trimmer to trim his hair. But as for beginners, you can use your clipper, lower the level, then trim it to avoid making some mistake at the top while trimming the hair. Trimmers are only for professionals, please note. Now after I make sure that it is cool, I use my lining substances and my trimmer to make sure that his hairline is looking cool. So we are trying to give him the crispiest hairline right now, trying to make my first client happy. As you can see, I'm already going over to the other side, making the same work on this video. As you can see, after that I move over to the other side, the same process. Sorry guys, please, this is my trimmer I'm using. I think I need to go and sharp it. It's kind of giving me hard times, but yeah, I'm glad that people probably understand how to do a mid fade correctly. Just subscribe to my channel guys. We are trying to get over 500 subscribers before YouTube change its algorithm process. You know, in the next 4 months, February 1st, it's not going to be 4,000 watch hour, it's not going to be 8,000 watch hour. Please guys, follow me, please follow me. Now this is the way I use to enhancing my hair. I use what we call hair fiber. You can go and get this at anywhere they sell barbing equipment. Now I apply it gently. After that, I ensure that the hair fiber touches the hair line evenly. Then I also move to the other side with the same process. Guys, in barbing you don't need to rush. You just have to take your time and make your client look nice to ensure a return client. You see? Now after I'm done with it, I use my blade on making things cool, as you can see in the video. After I use my blade to make sure that everywhere is looking nice and cool, as you can see. And again, one thing we need to note on using our blade is when using your blade to line your client's hair, please draw the skin back while using the blade so that you will not injure the client. Now let's watch on how this hair comes out. I'm using my trimmer to go through it, making sure that the lineup is looking more crispy. Now after that, I use my trimmer. Now this is the hairline outcome. Just subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Have a wonderful day. See you in my next video guys. Bye.